everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. If you would hit that subscribe button to the right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are glamming up some Dollar Tree candle holders. And if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching and let's glam up these candle holders. For this project, you will need 6 Dollar Tree candle holders, 3 types of glitter of your choice, Mod Podge, something to apply the Mod Podge, brooches, and 4 rubber bands. We are using hair bands because we have misplaced our rubber bands. If you don't have any rubber bands available, you can use your hair bands if you have them, but rubber bands do hold in place and they are much better to use. Have mixed the 3 types of glitter together, so we have made a combination of your fine glitter mixed with your medium and jumbo, and we just absolutely love the look of all 3 glitters mixed together. But this is optional. You don't have to combine your glitters together. If you just want to use one, then it's totally fine. You can do that as well. This part is optional. If you don't want to use a bow or ribbon, you can skip this part. So this does complete our tutorial for today. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.